How to pay TikTok Pay Later using GCash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay TikTok Pay Later using GCash. First, go to the TikTok app on your phone. Next, tap the Profile tab at the bottom bar. Now, tap the three bars at the top right corner of the screen. Select the Settings and Privacy option. Go to Balance and swipe through the features by tapping Next. Tap the Get Started button and you can view the balance. Then tap Get Coins to buy more coins and recharge. After that, go to Live Rewards and you can now withdraw coins. Make sure to have some balance in your account. Now select GCash as the payment method and follow the prompts to link your account. Also, go live on TikTok to get more rewards. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.